Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
In the name of Allah. One day, the rabbit was sleeping when she suddenly woke up to the sound of her children.
Mama, get up. Mama, get up, Mama. We are hungry.
Mama, get up. We are hungry. Mama.
I am tired, my children. I will rest a little more.
Let's go, please. Let's get fresh carrots.
The rabbit got up and said, while yawning,
All right, kids, I'm leaving now. I remember the promise of fresh carrots.
Saying that, she went out. She hurried to the nearby field and pulled out the carrots one by one. She intended to collect more carrots so that the kids and she could eat on their own. Rabbits love carrots.
What tasty carrots! Juicy and sweet red and malt, a very good food. I can eat them every day. Where are you, children? Come to me quickly.
The rabbit collected the carrots and started going home when suddenly she remembered that she had not brought a pot.
What should I do? I can't hold all the carrots in my hand. If there is any rope, I may wrap it around them.
She started looking for a rope. A sheep was eating grass nearby.
Hello, sheep.
Hello.
Do you have a rope? Give me as a loan. I have collected carrots but can't take them home.
I like to take some carrots with me. Give me half. I like to eat them.
The rabbit thought.
If you give me a rope, I'll give you some carrots.
But I don't have a rope. The cow may have a rope. A cow lives across this peak. She also has a rope. Go to her.
Thank you very much.
The rabbit gave some carrots to the sheep and left. Across the peak, a cow was busy eating grass. The rabbit went to her and greeted her.
Hello, cow. Cow, cow, are you listening to me? Oh, cow.
Yes. I don't talk when I'm eating grass.
Now, are you done eating grass?
Yes. Tell me, what is the matter?
I am looking for a rope so that I can tie the carrots I have collected and take them home. Do you have a rope? Give me one, please.
No, I don't have a rope to give you.
Strange. I have come so far. I am tired.
The rabbit started going back, in despair, when suddenly a thought came to her mind.
What are you doing? Oh, my tail is hurting.
I can't separate it. But what good is it to you?
What are you doing? Oh, my tail is hurting.
Let it.
As soon as she saw the cow's tail, an idea came to her mind.
Cow, isn't it possible for me to use your tail? Let me give you some carrots so you can give me a rope.
I can't take carrots for my tail, I need it.
But why do you need it? Tell me too.
Allah has given us this tail so that the flies that bother us can be removed. Look, if I give you my tail, these flies will bother me a lot. I play in the air with this tail.
Wow, I didn't know what the benefits of a cow's tail are. But what can I do now?
Don't worry, I will do something for the carrots.
The cow gathered large grass and made a rope.
Take this.
Wow, sorry for pulling the tail and hurting you.
Tie your carrots with it and take them to your children. Go, take these carrots and give them to your children. You tried your best to help me.
So children, the story is over. The rabbit also laughed and said that she now knew why Allah gave tails to cows.